Electric two-wheeler maker Ather Energy has raised 1,200 crore rupees from existing investors including Hero MotoCorp, the India-Japan Fund and its founders. Founded by Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain, Ather is one of India's leading premium EV manufacturer. More than just fresh capital, the funding signals strong long-term confidence in India's electric mobility market, with the company gearing up to expand manufacturing, strengthen R&D, and launch new products without relying solely on public markets. Another EV startup, E3 Electric.AI, has raised 100 crore rupees in a Series A round through a mix of equity and debt, ahead of launching its AI-powered scooter. Founded by Deepak MV and Sanjeev Vashish, the company is building software-first electric two-wheelers with connected AI features. The funding reflects growing investor confidence that the next phase of India's EV market will be driven not just by electrification, but by intelligent, software-defined vehicles. Specialty chemicals startup Scimplify is set to raise 181 crore rupees in a Series C funding round, with Hitachi Ventures among the investors. Founded by Sanket Deshpande, Satyam Mishra and Vatsal Jaiswal, Scimplify helps businesses source and manufacture specialty chemicals through a technology-driven platform. This signals a growing confidence in India's ability to build globally competitive deep-tech manufacturing businesses beyond software, tapping into resilient global supply chains. Commercial laundry solutions startup Quick Clean has raised $14 million in a Series B round led by Stakeboard Capital. Founded by Jasmine Kaur and Vikas Agarwal, the company provides on-premise laundry solutions for hotels, hospitals, and large institutions across India. This indicates a boost to B2B infrastructure businesses that improve operational efficiency as India's hospitality and healthcare sectors continue to scale. AI startup Vorflux has raised $15 million in a seed funding round led by Excel, with participation from several prominent angel investors. Founded by Prasann Sankar, co-founder of Rippling, Vorflux is building AI software agents that can automate complex enterprise workflows. This reflects that there has been a rise in investor conviction that autonomous AI agents, not just chatbots, could become the next major shift in enterprise software. Wealth management firm Neo Group has raised 350 crore rupees in a funding round led by Peak XU Partners. Founded by former IIFL wealth executives, Neo serves high net worth individuals and institutional clients with investment, wealth, and asset management solutions. This funding signals strong investor confidence in India's expanding wealth management sector as rising affluence and increasing demand for sophisticated financial products create opportunities for next-generation advisory platforms. Naturis Cosmetics has raised 100 crore rupees in its maiden institutional funding round, led by Sharp Ventures with participation from Mirabilis Investment Trust, Aniket Capital, and Nivashai. The company develops and manufactures beauty and personal care products for brands including Pilgrim, Plum, Purple, and Nykaa's K-Beauty. This reflects growing investor interest in the companies powering India's beauty ecosystem as contract manufacturers become critical enablers of the country's fast-growing D2C and personal care market. AI-powered go-to-market platform Reo.Dev has raised 11.3 million in a Series A round led by Elevation Capital, with participation from existing investors including Together Fund and Goldcap. Founded by Rahul Parekh and Siddharth Kothari, the startup uses AI to help B2B software companies identify buying signals and improve sales outreach. The funding highlights growing investor confidence in AI tools that make enterprise sales more efficient as businesses increasingly rely on data-driven platforms to find and convert customers. Enterprise AI startup Emergent has raised $130 million in a Series C funding round led by Creages, joining India's unicorn club with a valuation exceeding $1 billion. Founded by Amit Gupta and Harsh Jain, the company builds AI agents that automate complex business workflows for global enterprises. With this funding, investors are moving beyond AI hype and backing companies delivering enterprise-scale AI solutions, strengthening India's position in the global AI race. Manufacturing tech startup SwitchOn has raised $8 million in a pre-Series B funding round led by Ivy Cap Ventures with participation from existing investors. Founded by Satya Narayanan and Anirudh Balakrishnan, the company uses AI-powered vision system to help manufacturers improve quality inspection, reduce defects, and increase production efficiency. The funding is an indication of growing confidence in industrial AI as manufacturers increasingly adopt automation to build smarter, more competitive factories.